guys, welcome back to another video. It's Ingrid here from Ingridjoyaromas. Today I want to show you a sleep tight diffuser blend. As you can see here, I have a diffuser and it's about 6-7 years old, and so I'm going to show you how I use it today. You can see right here, you can plug it from here and just squeeze this button right here. And so when you plug it in, what will happen, the bottom of it will light up. And so yeah, what we're going to be doing right now is to put the oils in. I'm going to be also putting up some information for you guys, and hopefully the front of the screen is not as crowded. So yeah, these are the oils I'm using today, and this is also another lavender, but I'm going to be using this one today. Also forgot to mention that there's around 42 different lavender. So you can smell one lavender and it's totally smell a little bit different from the other lavender, but I tend to use the organic ones, and I don't use fragrance oil in my diffuser. Try not to use fragrance oil in a diffuser. There's a difference between fragrance oil and essential oil, and they are two different things. So essential oils are made from wood and bark and leaves and all kind of trees thing and fragrance oil is just actually man-made and chemical wise. So yeah, I don't use fragrance oil, period. Why would I want to go sleep in fragrance oil when it is chemical? Anyway, let's get back to the video, everyone. I went off track not too long ago. As you can see, I am dropping these drops, and I could not get out that little from that bottle before, so I grab another one. So just follow the recipe, and so let's get this drop in here, and I will show you how much water to add to this. If you care for your diffuser, it will last you for a while. And also don't forget to clean your diffuser every time you use it. I clean mine every 2 times I use it. That little hole in the bottom, that little hole right there, that's where the water bubble from. And so what happened is the essential oil will build up inside of there, and sometimes if you don't watch it, the water will run out and it start burning inside. But it's not like you're smelling it. It's not like a burning smell, like you smell like something burning. it just stays there and just discolored your diffuser. So as you can see right now, guys, I am pouring some water right now. And you can add more, you can add less, you know, depend on the person. And you can see the amount of water that I have in there. And this can actually fill up this diffuser right now. So hopefully everyone enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for the next video. I have a lot of videos out and diffuser blend. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.